Now I am going to present a numerical problem related with pressure. As you know that pressure is directly proportional to the force but inversely proportional to area. Today I want to focus the relation between pressure and area only in terms of a numerical problem. Because we know that if area is more, the pressure will be less, and if area is less, pressure will be more. Now we are going to solve the numerical problem related with the pressure and area. Look at this. Area of the head and tip of a nail is 0.2 cm square and 0.01 cm square respectively. Let's say this is a nail. Its head, area of the head is 0.2 cm square. Area of the tip is 0.01 cm square. If it is hammered at the head with 25 Newton force, calculate the difference of pressure between head and tip. If we are going to hammer it with 25 Newton force this way, then how much will be the pressure at the head and how much will be the pressure at the tip? And what is the difference of pressure? We are going to calculate this. Because same force reaches to the tip also, and with the help of this information I am going to solve this problem and I am going to find out the variation of pressure. Okay, force, pressure at the head. To calculate pressure, force is needed 25 Newton and area of the head is given, area A is given as 0.2 centimeter square, but centimeter should be converted to meter. Because we are using SI system, that's why 0.2 divided by 100, 1 of the centimeter converts to meter if we divide by 100, and if we divide again by another 100, then both the centimeter converts to meter, and this is meter square. Now in the meantime, I want to write this point number as a whole number. Point is if shifted to right hand side, 1 digit right hand side, then we can write 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Since it is shifted to 1 digit right hand side, that's why 10 to the power negative 1. If it was shifted to left hand side, 10 to the power positive. Okay, divided by 1 having 4 zeros. And this is meter square. Now this is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 is in numerator, and in denominator there are 4 zero with 1. That's why we can write 10 to the power 4. 10,000 means 10 to the power 4. There are 4 zero power 4 meter square. This is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. If 10 to the power 4 is taken in numerator, then power becomes negative. Here it is 4, 10 to the power minus 4. Now meter square. And this value is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Same base, that's why power can be added or subtracted. That's why minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 becomes 10 to the power minus 5. This is area of the head. Now converted into meter square. Now let's talk about the tip. Force remains same. How much? 25 Newton. And area is given as 0.01 centimeter square. Now I am going to convert this into meter square. Now 0.01, if it is 0.01 is if divided once by 100, then 1 centimeter converts to meter, and again by 100, both centimeter converts to meter, and it becomes meter square. This is equal to, if point is shifted to this 2 digit right hand side, then there is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Why minus 2? Because point is shifted to right hand side, 2 digit right hand side, that's what power is negative 2. Divided by, this is 10,000, and value is in meter square. Okay, this is equal to, now 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 means 10 to the power minus 2. And in denominator we have 10 to the power 4 meter square, and the same can be written as 10 to the power minus 2 when 10 to the power 4 is taken to numerator, minus 4 meter square, and this is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Now I am going to calculate pressure on both the sides. Pressure equal to force by area. Now what is the value of force here? 25 Newton. And what is the value of area here? It is 2 into 10 power minus 5. 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters square. And when 25 is divided by 2, it becomes half. It means 12.5. And 10 power minus 5 is if taken to the numerator, then it becomes 10 to the power positive 5 plus 5. And Newton per meter square is Pascal. That's why the pressure on the head will be 12.5 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Now let's talk about the pressure at the tip also. Pressure equal to force by area, and force remains same. The same force is transmitted to tip also. We can consider like that. And area is 10 to the power minus 6 meters square. And this is equal to 25 into 10 power minus 6 if taken to numerator, then 10 to the power positive 6. Newton per meter square is Pascal, we know. This is the value of pressure at the tip. Now I want to find out the difference. But before going to difference, which quantity is bigger? This is 10 power 5 here. This value has got 10 power 5 here. 10 power 6. It means one having 6 0. One having 5 0. This one is bigger than this. So pressure at the tip is higher than that of the head. So now let's calculate difference of pressure. Difference of pressure. If we have to calculate difference of pressure, we can write certainly difference of pressure this way. Then pressure at the tip is more, 25 into 10 to the power 6. We don't have to write unit in the process. Minus 12.5, this one, into 10 to the power 5. I want to write it again this way. Why this way? I'll tell you. 25 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 1. And minus 12.5 into 10 to the power 5. Why I am writing this way? 10 to the power 6 is written as 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 1. Because 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 1 means 5 plus 1, 10 to the power 6. But I want to write this way because I want to take the common. 10 to the power 5 can be taken as common. 10 to the power 5 is taken as common. Now 25 into 10 to the power 1 is left at the left hand side. We can write directly also. 25 into 10 to the power 1 means what? 10 to the power 1 means 10. 25 into 10 means 250. You can take more steps also, but directly if we write 250, it doesn't make any difference. Minus 1 to 12.5. 10 to the power 5 is taken as common. Now this is equal to 10 to the power 5, 250 minus 12.5 becomes almost 237.5. You can use calculator. Now point is generally placed after one digit. That's why I want to shift this point to this place. If it is shifted to this place, then what happens? 10 to the power 5 into 2.375 into point is shifted to 2-digit left hand side. That's why 10 to the power 2. If it was shifted to right hand side, 10 to the power minus 2. Now this value, that's why now answer is this. Difference of pressure is equal to 2.375 into same base power can be added 10 to the power 7 Pascal. This is our last answer. Thus we can calculate the difference of pressure